What is Katarungang Pambarangay? Ang Katarungang Pambarangay is a system for amicable settlement of dispute of barangay. It is an out-of-court resolution of conflict by the community member themselves under the guidance of the Punong Barangay o Punong Barangay and without intervention of legal counsel and representative. Who is the chairman of the Lupon? The Punong Barangay is the chairman of the Lupon. How many members are there? According to the revised Katarungang Pambarangay law, the Lupon is composed of the Punong Barangay and 10 to 20 members, and the Lupon shall be constituted every 3 years and every 3 years. What are the qualifications of Lupon member? The person is a resident of a working in the barangay and not disqualified by law for some reason and must possess integrity, impartiality, independence of mind, sense of fairness, and reputation of probity may be appointed member of Lupon. What are the functions of Lupon? Function of Lupon exercise administrative supervision over the conciliation panel, meet regularly once a month to provide forum for exchange of ideas among its members and the public on the matter relevant to the amicable settlement of the dispute, and to enable various conciliation panel members to share with one another their observation and experiences in effecting speedy resolution of dispute, and in exercise such other power and perform such other duties and functions as may be prescribed by law or ordinance. What is the term of office of Lupon members? Lupon members shall hold office until a Lupon is constituted on the third year following their appointment, unless the term of any of the Lupon member is sooner terminated by resignation, transfer of residence or place of work, or withdrawal of appointment by the Punong Barangay with the concurrence of the majority of the member of the Lupon. Are Lupon member entitled to compensation? They serve without compensation except for certain honoraria, allowance, and other emoluments as authorized by law or barangay, municipal, or city ordinance. How much is the filing fee? Minimum of 5 pesos nor more than 20 pesos. What disputes and offenses covered by Katarungang Pambarangay? Almost all civil dispute and every criminal offenses punishable by imprisonment not exceeding 1 year or a fine not exceeding 5,000 are subject to amicable settlement under the Katarungang Pambarangay, where parties involved are individuals who are residing in the same cities or municipalities. What dispute and offenses are not covered by the Katarungang Pambarangay? Under Section 408 of the Local Government Code enumerates the instances that is not subject to amicable settlement, where one party is the government or any subdivision or instrumentality thereof, where one party is a public officer or employee and the dispute relates to the fair offenses punishable by imprisonment exceeding 1 year of a fine of 5,000, and offenses where no private party or individual offended, like trafficking violation, jaywalking, vagrancy, sidewalk vending, mendicancy, and prostitution, where the dispute involves real property located in the different cities or municipalities under the parties thereof, to agree to submit their differences to amicable settlement by an appropriate Lupon. Dispute involving parties who are actually reside in barangay of different cities or municipality except where such barangay units adjoins each other and the party thereof agree to submit their differences to amicable settlement by the appropriate Lupon. Such other causes of dispute which the President of the Philippines may determine in the interest of justice and upon the recommendation of Secretary of Justice. Can an individual file directly in court? Answer: no, unless personal confrontation of party has already taken place and resulted to a failure in the settlement of such case. What happened when a case outside the jurisdiction of the Katarungang Pambarangay is settled amicably at the barangay level? Answer: any settlement or arbitration on dispute not covered by the Katarungang Pambarangay does not have the force and effect of a court judgment. They are merely private contracts and cannot be enforced through execution by the Lupon or court. What is mediation? Answer: mediation at the first process of settling a dispute under the Katarungang Pambarangay. It is performed by the Punong Barangay as Lupon chairman who is given authority to summon the disputant for a face-to-face meeting beforehand for the purpose of expeditiously and amicably settling their differences. What is conciliation? Conciliation is the extension of amicable settlement in the case of mediatory effort of the Punong Barangay did not result to reconciliation within the 15 days from the start of the proceeding